Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to do an update on Fantom and Fantom. It looks like Fantom came right to the top of my box area, which is my initial target. There are a couple issues I have going on with Fantom. I want to make you guys aware of. The daily chart on the RSI, check that out. Came down nice and low. Now that this has all come together, Fantom is doing a 3-3-3, which is called an expanded flat type move. Typical move for a cryptocurrency on a second wave move. So it started down here is its first wave, even though that's labeled 5 and it's coming down to do this second wave correction. The only issue on this retracement that I have right now, guys, is that it's a shallow retracement on the logarithmic Fibonacci levels. You take it off log, and those that use this method, it's still pretty good. I still would like to, have it down in those areas right there. About that 16, 17 cents would probably be a little bit better, in my opinion. So I'm just, I'm a little bit cautious on this with the shallow retracement on Fantom. However, if you go back and look and check these retracements as an example, like if I check this wave retracement that Fantom did, on that wave 1, you can see that's a 0.382. If I check the retracement on this leg right here, you can see that was generally about a 0.382. So it could be that Fantom may do shallow retracements. I would still give a word of caution, not financial advice on going in any alts right now. Just under the current market conditions right now, word of advice, just be careful with these coins right now. So you can see right here, I would give Fantom a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, and coming down for that 5. And you can see that right here, that divergence that it's making. What I mean is that divergence, that leg is lower, but it's higher there. So it's bullish divergence right now. Okay, so the question is the correction over? I think right now with Fantom, what it is, it's in a fourth wave move on this last leg. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and come down for that 5. Okay, and this 5 can extend too. Remember that. As long as it doesn't get, it can get longer than the third wave. That third wave's longer than the first. So this fifth wave can extend like this, guys. You want to be aware of that. So in my opinion, what's Fantom doing, wherever it gets to, this ABC move on Fantom will be like this. And wherever that ends, this correction or this sequence will be complete with Fantom. Okay. Now that's going to depend on Bitcoin and Ethereum when they go bullish. But Fantom is coming up to complete some sort of sequence. Now, if it's people that are bearish, the bearish side of it, it'll be a completed sequence. And then Fantom will have to go into another sequence, which will make this just a W. Fantom will bounce. And when Fantom bounces, it bounces good. So be aware of that. It could be a good, decent trade if you're going to trade it. And then it'll swing back down like that, guys. So that would be the bearish scenario. The bullish scenario is it's coming in to complete something, okay? Till proven otherwise, I'm just going to say right now, it'll be completed probably the 14 cent area. Let me go down to the 45-minute chart. Take a look at it. Yeah, so you can see it's a fourth wave move right there, guys. You can see. So let me go to the 2-hour chart, clean that up a little bit. So 1, 2, looking at a decent target on Fantom right now. Let's say that's the whole third wave. Pop up on that fourth. I'd say 17 down to 16 cents in this area, right in that box area, guys, on those fib levels. But the fifth wave can extend. Keep that in the back of your mind when you start looking at a coin like this. It can drop. So at the end of the day, let's take a look at the fib levels on the 3-day chart, or not the fib levels, but the, okay, the 3-day chart, that looks pretty decent. It took this out. So there's this whole start of its cycle. And on this right here for a second wave, it took that out. So it's good. So it's reset its whole cycle. So for the 3-day, that looks good. It didn't take everything out on the 4-day. So yeah, Fantom might have some more downside, guys. Fantom might need a little bit more downside. So that 5th wave, it might drop. It might have a 5th wave on the weekly. It hasn't taken that. On that 5th wave up there I was talking about, it could accelerate and just it might take everything out and reset its cycle. And then with Fantom, the correction could be coming to a completion. If it's not completed correction, it's going to go into another sequence, a WXY sequence. And then Fantom could have a lot more downside, guys. Just to let you know. All right. Thanks for watching. Peace.